What you're looking at is a fully installed ESP Safety Shelter. Here, we'll share what it takes to get it there. Before you begin, unpack all shelter components from the shipping pallets and organize them in a convenient work area. Verify that all panels, roof sections, hardware, and accessories are present before starting assembly. Next, assemble the anchor bolt alignment template and place it in the desired shelter location. Make sure there is adequate overhead clearance and enough space around all sides of the shelter, especially near the emergency exit wall. It's also a good idea to tape the template securely in place to help prevent movement during the drilling process. Once the template is positioned correctly, mark the inside perimeter on the concrete floor. These reference lines will help ensure the shelter remains properly aligned throughout installation. Using the template as a guide, drill the anchor bolt holes to the specified depth. Take care not to drill completely through the concrete slab. When drilling is complete, remove the template and thoroughly clean all dust and debris from the holes and surrounding area. Begin assembling the shelter by installing the vent assemblies and vent covers according to the manual specifications. Proper ventilation is an important part of the shelter's design. Install the corner sections, aligning each one with the reference marks on the floor. As each section is placed, install the corresponding anchor bolts. With the corners in place, begin installing the sidewall panels. Connect each panel to the corner sections using the supplied carriage bolts and nuts. At this stage, leave all hardware finger tight to allow for final adjustments later. Install the emergency exit wall assembly in the desired sidewall location, ensuring the exit will remain unobstructed once the shelter is in service. As you assemble the emergency exit wall, install the gussets along the inside edge of each vertical wall rib as required. These reinforcements are an important part of the wall assembly and should be securely fastened before proceeding. Next, install the back wall panels, followed by the front wall section, to complete the shelter perimeter. Continue installing anchor bolts and hardware as each section is added, checking alignment along the way to ensure the structure remains square and properly positioned. With the wall assembly complete, lift the rear roof panel into place and secure it to the shelter structure. Before installing the remaining roof panels, carefully bring the pre-assembled door into the shelter and position it safely inside. Doing so now provides easier access and more room to maneuver the door into place later in the installation. With the door safely staged inside the shelter, install the final roof panel and secure it to the structure. With the roof assembly complete, assemble the door rail system. Install the rollers into the rail, attach the support brackets, and mount the completed rail assembly to the front roof structure. Once installed, tighten all rail hardware to the specified torque and verify that the rollers move freely along the entire length of the rail. At this stage, tighten all remaining wall, roof, anchor bolt, and structural hardware to the required torque values. Now you're ready to install the door. Because of its weight, this step requires multiple people and proper lifting techniques. Carefully lift the pre-assembled door into position and attach it to the roller system inside the rail assembly. A crowbar can be used to help safely leverage the door upward during positioning. With the door hanging in place, install the lower door guide at the base of the front wall panel and secure it according to the installation instructions. This guide helps keep the door properly aligned during operation. Once the door is installed, make any necessary adjustments to ensure it slides smoothly and latches properly. Small adjustments during this step will help ensure reliable operation for years to come. Finally, perform a complete operational check. Verify that the door opens smoothly, all latch pins engage properly, and the locking pin functions as intended. To complete the installation process, be sure to review and fill out all 3 required checklists. Once these final checks are complete, your ESP Safety Shelter installation is finished and ready to provide protection when you need it most.